Meaning of inscrutable.
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 Inscrutable. The word inscrutable is an adjective that describes something or someone that is difficult to understand or interpret. It suggests a sense of mysteriousness, secrecy, or complexity that makes it hard to know what is going on beneath the surface. For instance, a person's facial expression may be inscrutable if it is difficult to discern their emotions or intentions. Similarly, a puzzle or problem can be inscrutable if it is challenging to solve or comprehend. Overall, the term inscrutable implies a sense of enigma or ambiguity that leaves one feeling uncertain or perplexed.